mutually exclusive school gang-stalking. These interpretations are coming from mutually exclusive schools of interpretation, staunch idealism and radical materialism. The whole objective of this discussion is to discuss the trichotomy between awareness, awakening, and enlightenment. And to get into awareness, to get into awakening, to get into enlightenment, to get into realization, to get into self-realization, to get into illumination, we have to get into the elephant in the room, the fundamental crux of it all. We have to get into coincidences, aka synchronicity. We have to have a fundamental philosophical, psychological, and physiological and cognitive neuroscientific understanding of what truly is the fundamental underlying mechanism, the crux, the whole